Once again, you're welcome to today's tutorial. This is our CapCut app. You click on your CapCut app. I'm going to be using an existing video that I made to explain each and every of the icon on CapCut. When I explain each and every of the icon with a practical, then you'll be able to edit like a professional. So I'm going to make use of this. All right, this is the video. This is the video. All right. To add another clip now, either at the beginning or at the end. So you just drag to the end or you drag to the beginning. If you want to add to the beginning, you drag to the beginning. If you want to add to the end, you drag to the end, and you tap on this very plus sign. When you tap on this plus sign, you just add the video. The video you added, you can as well adjust the volume on the video. You can as well adjust the volume. How did I just do that? You tap on the video like this, make sure that it is highlighted, then you can see these icons. You can split the video. This is split. You can split the video from where this line is. You can split the video. You can adjust the volume. You can put animations. You can put effects. Put a lot of things. You can adjust the speed. You want the video to move faster than the usual time it is. Do you understand? So you just make use of every of the icon to edit your videos. There are a lot. You can adjust the brightness. You can do a lot. This is brightness. This is contrast. You can adjust a lot with CapCut. And now, to add an audio, you just tap on audio. You can see this is audio. You tap on audio. If you want to extract an audio from maybe your video or something, you just tap on extract. So you just select and you do what? You extract the audio. This is sound. So you want to add a sound, an audio sound from your phone, or let me show you. This is sound. You tap on sound. Let's wait for it to load. Network is the issue. All right, when you tap on sound, you can see this icon here. When you want to pick an audio from your phone, just tap on this. And you just select your phone, your gallery. Then you select any of your audio from there. And in this icon where we are currently, if it loads properly, you are going to be seeing suggested audios that you can make use of as well from CapCut. Now, in the middle of two clips, you tap on the middle. You can see that small box. You tap on it. Then you can add transition. Network is so poor. Okay, you can add transition between two videos. Let's make use of this. All right. So now let's play it and see how it looks like. Can you see the transition? Let's add another transition to see how it looks like. Watch out. Can you see? And we have text. You want to add a text for yourself. You can add a text from here. You can add the text, type whatever you want to type. You can put fonts, you can change templates. There are a lot of templates that you can make use of. Just select. You can change your styles. You can do the effects. You can do a lot of things. A lot. And there's an hidden feature in this place. You can see that what you can see on my screen now. When I tap back just once. Let's come here first. Okay. Now you can see this search bar. You can see the search bar. When you tap on search, look for keyframe. You have a lot. You see, when you're watching a movie and they want to give you the title, the intro, the title, they make use of all these things. When you tap on keyframes, you see a lot of keyframes that you can make use of. It is going to look like you're titling the video or something. So that's how it's going to look like. Okay, you can see this. You can see. We have a lot. I've seen this particular icon or this particular keyframe on what's this guy's name? This guy that sang Bo that did the video to it. Yeah, I've seen something like this in one of his videos. So we have a lot. Now let's go back. You can see effects. You can add effects to any of your video. You can add effects. We have animations. We have a lot. You can add effects to your videos. You can add overlay. This is a part of the video now. I want to add an overlay. I'll just tap on overlay. Tap on add. Either it's photo you want to add or video. Just tap on overlay. Tap on add. You can see the way I'm doing it. You can adjust. You can pin it in, pin it out. Anyhow, then you balance it on anywhere you want it to be. So that is for overlay. This is captions. You can also do your captions from here. Tap on text. You can see auto captions. You can do that from there, and you can also do it from here. Captions. You can see auto captions. You can see enter captions. So a lot and lot. Okay, I've talked about adjustment of videos. You can add stickers. You can do a lot. But the most important thing that whenever you enter your CapCut, make sure that the very last part, this last part now, is going to be showing. Can you see it? CapCut, tap to edit text. So make sure that you always tap on it and delete it. If you do not delete it, whenever somebody is watching your video, at the end, it's going to be showing. It's going to be showing this way. It's going to be showing. So just tap on it. Make sure it is highlighted. Then you delete it immediately. You can also put a background. either image or color, whatever. You can put a background to your videos. So CapCut is something you need to explore lot and lot more on. Take a look at this. Please subscribe that you can see it is through the keyframe I added it. Through the keyframe I added it. And most importantly, when you want to export any of your video, you can just click on this. You can adjust to the resolution. You can adjust the resolution. When you put it on this, I think I love this. Preferably, I love this so much. It makes my video sharp. So I just put it on this and I tap on export. And immediately you finish exporting your videos, don't just leave CapCut and forget about it. No, you can also share. Most of the times when I export my video and it's successful, I share to my gallery to avoid the issues of maybe network issue and it just break or something. So make sure that you always share to your gallery. Then you can now go to your gallery. If it is duplicate, then you can now delete one. So that is how I do it. And also, make sure that there is always space on your phone before you export anything from CapCut. Don't export 3, 4, 5 times saying your data is you are running out of data and something. It is because you do not have space on your phone. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Please make sure that you always put in the perfect aspect ratio for your videos. If you look at this video, all of this video are in a single aspect ratio. If alright, okay, this is aspect ratio. This is aspect ratio. You can select for YouTube, for TikTok, for this, for that, for this, for Instagram, a lot. But make sure that all your videos are in the same aspect ratio. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.